Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off new features for Find My Mobile notifications on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down, and from here, tap on security and privacy. Next, go down and tap on Find My Mobile. Then tap on allow this phone to be found. And from here, tap on the more button at the top. From the pop-up, tap on notifications. Then we go down to the others section and then tap on new features. Tap on the toggle button to turn off new features notifications, or you can tap on it to switch it on. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.